Hello students, welcome to our today's class. In this today's class we are going to focus on the bicyclo compounds IUPAC names. First of all, I want to give you one bicyclo compound. So in the bicyclo compound, two cycles are joined together by using two carbons. These two carbons are third degree carbons. You know very well, third degree carbons. So these third degree carbons are called as bridgehead carbons. Okay, these bridgehead carbons are common in two rings. Don't forget about this. These two bridgehead carbons are common in two rings, right? So now here, after that, first of all, you should have this basic idea if you want to write bicyclo compounds, right? Is it clear? Now I am going to take one example and you can understand betterly, you can write it. So there are many conditions are there, but I made it like a cases wise. First case I am taking here. In this first case, we are going to write bicyclo compound IUPAC names without substituents, double bond, triple bond and functional group. That means the bicyclo compound which is not having substituent, double bond, triple bond and functional group, I have taken it as like a case 1. Okay, so now I am taking one example. Okay, before going to write one example, I want to give you one skeleton structure of the name. So in any bicyclo compounds, first you have to start with bicyclo square brackets, okay, square bracket close, plus alkane XYZ. Here see, XYZs are the number of carbon atoms present between the bridgehead carbon atoms. Okay, so that number we have to write from high to low. Okay, so high to low. I will explain clearly, don't worry about that. You have to keep in your mind this skeleton structure of the IUPAC name of bicyclo compounds. Right, now I am taking one example which we have taken in the starting of the class. So in this, I have taken this one. There are two bridged carbon atoms. Now here, first you need to write bicyclo, square bracket start. So now here see, to this bridgehead carbon atoms, so this side 4 carbon atoms are there, this side 2 carbon atoms are there, in between these two, no carbon atom. So here, this side 4, 2, 0. So these numbers are there, no? These numbers we have to write from high to low. 4, 2, 0. Square bracket closed. After that, in these two cycles, number of carbon atoms, how many are there? 8. Simply you have to write octane. Is it clear? So very simple. I can give you one more example. You can get it more. Example number 2 you can take. Here you see it's a little bit different. So different means same, concept is same, but it appears as like a different. Okay, so now here what we are taking is, here also it is having two bridgehead carbons. Okay, so it's common name bicyclo, this side 2 carbons, this side 2 carbons, this side in between the 2 carbons. So 2 comma 2 comma 2. Here total number of carbon atoms you have to count. Total 2 rings, total number of carbon atoms 8. Here also bicyclo 2 comma 2 comma 2 octane. Have you got it? So this is example number 2. Now coming to the example number 3. So what is that example number 3? Here also same pattern. You see this. This is a quietly different thing. So in this, here two bridged carbon atoms common for any bicyclo compounds. Here first you have to write bicyclo and this side 2 carbons, this side 2 carbons and middle 1. Just you check it. So here total how many carbons? 7 carbons are there. So in the bridgehead carbon atom, this side 2, this side 2, middle 1. So therefore we can write it like a bicyclo 2 comma 2 comma 1 heptane, because total 7 carbons are there. Okay, so like this you can write it easily. So just I want to give you one simple homework for you. So just you take this one example and try it and write its bicyclo compound IUPAC name and mention that one in our comment box. Okay, so this is our video. Thanks for watching. Bye.